The Metaverse. What's all the buzz about it, you might wonder? Well, it's basically a vast digital playground where different virtual worlds are all linked together. In these worlds, you can do things like meet other people, trade stuff, and even buy virtual or real-world items. In this ever-evolving digital landscape, where the boundaries between the virtual and the physical blur, the Metaverse is taking shape. Could it be the next big thing in how we connect and invest? And if so, how can you get in on the action? Join us in this video as we explore the Metaverse and avenues to invest. Also, stick around till the end to find 5 potential stocks for investment in the Metaverse. Now, when we say the Metaverse is immersive and digital, think of it like stepping into a video game, but not just any game. A game that feels real. You can do this with virtual reality or VR using fancy headsets or augmented reality AR using your phone or tablet. AR blends the real world with virtual elements, so you're in 2 worlds at once. What makes the Metaverse really exciting is that it wants to connect all these VR and AR worlds, so you can jump from one to the other without any hiccups. Now, let's talk business. The Metaverse isn't just for fun. It's a place where you can shop too. You can buy all sorts of digital stuff for your online persona, like clothes, cars, and even virtual land. But here's where it gets interesting. You can also mix the virtual and real worlds. Imagine buying a Gucci for your digital self and getting the same one delivered to your doorstep in the real world. Cool, right? And it goes beyond that. The Metaverse is opening doors for businesses to do things like broadcast sports games in virtual theaters. You can watch a game as if you're right there on the court. Or picture this, doing your grocery shopping in a virtual store and having the real groceries show up at your door. The Metaverse is like the next big thing in how we connect and do business. Just like the internet took off in the 90s, this could be even bigger. But there's a word of caution for investors. Don't get too carried away, as history shows that not every new tech idea turns into a goldmine. Meta, the big player in this Metaverse game, sees it as a collection of technologies, platforms, and products that make us feel less like we're using technology and more like we're connecting with people. Now, what are some cool ways the Metaverse can be used? Well, the Metaverse started off as a playground for gamers, but it's evolving into something much bigger. In the future, it could change the way we do business online, enhance our social interactions, and even revolutionize how we shop. Let's take a more casual stroll through these possibilities. Gaming. Imagine a world where gaming isn't just about screens and controllers. The Metaverse is making this a reality. Games like Minecraft, Fortnite, and Roblox are pioneers in this space. But there's more to come. You can play, chat, and even buy in-game stuff using different currencies. Plus, there's a game called Decentraland that's run by a decentralized organization. Pretty cool. Socializing. The Metaverse isn't just about gaming. It's also a place to hang out and socialize. It's like taking your online chats to a whole new level. You can attend virtual events like fashion shows or meetings and feel like you're really there. Meta Horizon Venues lets you be at events with a 3D avatar and chat with others. No need to travel. You're there from your living room. Business and work. Remember those Zoom meetings during the pandemic? The Metaverse could take online meetings to a whole new level. Instead of flat video calls, you could have full-length avatars in meetings. It's like being in the same room and seeing body language. Plus, it could save companies a lot of money on travel and office space. Shopping. Shopping in the Metaverse is pretty wild. You can visit virtual stores and buy real stuff, which gets delivered to your doorstep. Try on clothes in virtual fitting rooms, chat with virtual shop assistants, and get a 360-degree view of what you're buying. Brands can even personalize your shopping experience based on your history and preferences. Manufacturing and production. In the Metaverse, you can create digital twins of your real-world buildings and test things without messing up the real stuff. For example, factories can experiment with layouts and production processes without disrupting their actual production. BMW even made a digital twin of their whole factory. This kind of technology is growing in popularity and becoming more accessible. Well, that's the introduction to Meta. Now, before we get into investing in the Metaverse, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And hit that like button. Now, investing in the Metaverse can be an exciting and speculative venture. Here are 5 common ways you can get started besides the stocks. Invest in Metaverse cryptocurrencies. Many Metaverse companies have their own digital currencies. You can invest in these cryptocurrencies or use existing ones to participate in the Metaverse economy. For example, Decentraland has its own cryptocurrency called Mana on the Ethereum blockchain. Invest in the Metaverse Exchange Traded Fund, or ETF. If you prefer a more diversified approach and want to reduce volatility, consider Metaverse ETFs. These funds comprise a mix of Metaverse-related stocks and offer diversification. Examples of Metaverse ETFs include the ProShares Metaverse ETF and the Evolve Metaverse ETF. Invest in NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are certificates of ownership registered on the blockchain. You can buy NFTs that represent virtual land or real estate in the metaverse, digital art, virtual products, and more. Some metaverse projects sell virtual land through NFTs, and even established brands like Nike are creating NFTs for their products. Buy metaverse land. You can directly invest in virtual metaverse land and real estate. This often involves buying parcels of land represented by NFTs. Users can build on this land and engage in various activities within the metaverse. Keep in mind that this form of investment can be more volatile. Rent or buy metaverse buildings. Similar to investing in land, you can acquire pre-built virtual real estate within the metaverse. This may include virtual galleries, storefronts, or entertainment venues. However, this method can be riskier due to the nascent nature of the metaverse industry. In addition to these direct investment options, consider looking into businesses that provide services and technology supporting the metaverse, such as companies involved in 3D visualization, energy supply, connectivity, or immersive hardware. These businesses play a vital role in the development of the metaverse and can offer investment opportunities. With that, let's shift our attention to some of the best 5 metaverse stocks to consider. Number 1. Meta Platforms. Nasdaq Meta. Formerly known as Facebook, Meta Platforms has been a pioneer in the metaverse concept. They made significant investments in virtual reality, particularly through the acquisition of Oculus VR in 2010. With a strong focus on metaverse development, Meta Platforms is well positioned to benefit from this emerging space. Number 2. NVIDIA. Nasdaq NVDA. NVIDIA, a technology company, is known for its high-quality graphics processing units, or GPUs, and integrated circuits. While traditionally recognized for its role in PCs and gaming consoles, NVIDIA has expanded into metaverse-related areas, including 3D content creation and simulation through its NVIDIA Omniverse platform. Number 3. Cloudflare. NYSE-NET. Cloudflare offers content delivery networks, or CDN, and cybersecurity solutions, making it a crucial player in ensuring the security and smooth delivery of content in the metaverse. As the metaverse's content needs to grow, companies like Cloudflare become increasingly valuable. Number 4. Unity. NYSE-U. Unity Software is a leading company in the development of 3D software for the metaverse. With a significant share of the 3D content production market, Unity Software provides essential tools for developers working on metaverse projects. Number 5. Roblox. NYSE-RBLX. Roblox is a popular online gaming platform that gained significant traction during the pandemic. It allows users to play, socialize, and even create their own virtual experiences. Roblox went public in 2021 and has hosted virtual concerts and promotional events, indicating its potential as a metaverse platform. These companies are at the forefront of metaverse innovation and are likely to experience substantial growth as the metaverse continues to develop. However, it's important to conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before investing in these stocks, as the metaverse industry is still in its early stages and comes with its share of uncertainties. That's a wrap on our journey through the metaverse and its exciting investment opportunities. The future of the digital universe is here, and the possibilities are limitless. Where do you see yourself in the metaverse? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest insights.